Ooh. Check out the Curly Penny Amazon shop with all of my favorite products. Link down below in the description box. Hey y'all, so today I am going to help you build your curly hair routine regardless of your hair type. Every curly hair routine consists of 7 crucial steps. Número 1. Prepoo. Pre-poo? Like pooping before the shower? No. But if that's something you want to do, I don't judge. Except you, Brenda. If you do it, you're disgusting. A pre-poo is something that you do to your hair before the shower to make the process easier or to give your hair more benefit. There are 2 main things that are used as pre-poos: oils and deep conditioners. Personally, I massage my scalp with oil, either Jamaican black castor oil or Curls scalp treatment. I oil my scalp to moisturize it and to fight flakes and dandruff, and I always detangle the lengths of my hair with a deep conditioner or a mask. Now those are the main options, but not the only ones. Lots of people saturate their hair in aloe vera gel. Lots of people saturate their hair in coconut milk, depending on the benefits that you need for your hair. Número 2. Cleansing. There are 2 types of cleansers for curly hair: co-washes and shampoos. Make sure that both of these, no matter which one you choose to go with, are sulfate-free and silicone-free. Co-washes cleanse your scalp but offer a lot more moisture. This is great for people who have thicker, kinkier curls and drier hair, so you can clean your scalp without drying it out. The shampoo gives you basic cleansing, but if you choose a sulfate-free shampoo, it's going to be very, very gentle, not stripping your hair of any essential oils. Número 3. Condition. Find conditioners that are silicone-free, paraben-free, and alcohol-free. This is all going to ensure that you get optimum moisture for optimum frizz control. Don't put the conditioner in your hair and then immediately rinse it out. Let it sit in your hair for a few minutes while you wash your body or something. Another option for people with very, very thick, drier hair is to deep condition as opposed to using regular condition. These are specifically formulated to give you deep, deep moisture. Just use that instead of conditioner. Wash your body, do your other showerly tasks while you let the deep conditioner seep and sit, and then rinse it out. Número 4. Stylers. I typically recommend everybody have 2 types of stylers: a leave-in conditioner and something that will give you hold and definition. Leave-in conditioners allow you to direct extra moisture to the places in your hair that are the driest. For me, it's the ends of my hair. Right after the leave-in conditioner, use something that's going to give you hold and definition: a gel, a jelly, or a custard. Now that you've chosen your stylers, you want to choose your styling technique. Yes, there are tons. There's the rake and shake method, the shingling method, the smooth and scrunch, the praying method. Personally, I grab the product, I rub it in my hands, I smooth it over my hair, I gently finger comb it through my hair, and then I scrunch. And make sure you apply your products as soon as possible out of the shower. The more wet that your hair is, the cuticle is open for a longer amount of time and accepts more of the product. Número 5. Dry it, fool. Right after you apply your stylers, scrunch your hair with a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel. Do not use a towel. They're way too harsh for your hair. Right after that, you can use that very same t-shirt to plop your hair. This is just going to help to stop the dripping and to absorb excess styling product that you applied. After these 2 things, there are 2 main ways to dry your hair, and that is air drying and diffusing. Air drying is the healthiest option because you're not applying any heat to your hair, and that's what I do, but it does take a long time. It takes me about 5 hours. If you do choose to blow dry your hair, please don't just use it straight. Use a diffuser attachment, and don't use hot air. Don't even use warm air, okay? Because that resembles hell for your hair, literally, because it's hot and it's gonna give you damage. So just don't even think about it. Use cool air. Número 6. Nighty night. You need to protect your hair overnight by doing 2 things. Sleep on a satin pillowcase. Do not sleep on a cotton pillowcase. It's very abrasive. It's gonna cause frizz. And never forget to pineapple. Who lives in a pineapple on top of my head? SpongeBob SquarePants. I actually always have this satin scrunchie on my hand at all times because I don't like to use normal hair ties. So this is what you're gonna do, okay? Right before you go to bed. You're gonna look forward. And it helps to protect all of the hair so it doesn't frizz up and it doesn't break, and it just preserves everything very nicely. And thank goodness, the last tip, número 7, refreshing. When you wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy, you gotta refresh those curls. There are a multitude of refreshing products that are on the market, but you can also improvise. You can use sink water if you want. You can use aloe vera juice. You can use rose hip water, cucumber water, whatever you want. This is what I personally use, and I use it on my hair every single morning to refresh my curls. Alrighty, y'all, and that is how you build a curly hair routine in 7 simple steps. All that there is to customize are the products, and you can choose which ones you want by experimenting. But these are core principles that every curly must go by to build their routine. Comment down below any other tips and tricks that you have for your curly hair routine. Leave comments/suggestions of things you want me to do/discuss on this channel. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my social media, I'll leave all the links. Dámelo. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!